A little bit past noon, so mulled wine with whiskey is a little bit too much. So the process of decorating the tree, guys, as expected, it's splendid. My quest for Christmas trees. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome to Florence and welcome to this Christmas season. Christmas is almost here, which means it's Vlogmas season and Dramatically Expatic, and since this is my first Christmas in Tuscany, expect more vlogs from Tuscany and from Tuscan Christmas. Today I'm taking you with me around Florence to discover what Florence looks like in the Christmas season, to see some Christmas markets, Christmas decorations and more. I can't wait to show you around, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other vlogs, other Christmas vlogs and all the other content on my channel. And having said that, without further ado, let's begin the Vlogmas season together. Let's go! There are several Christmas markets in Florence this year, including the Nordic one, this Candy Christmas market. My only complaint is that it's held indoors. I wish it were outdoors, because otherwise it would have been amazing with this wonderful weather today. This Christmas market, guys, is held only over one weekend, so I'm super excited about being here today and getting it. And as you can see, I'm already armed with a cardamom bun and some coffee. And you can find lots of cool stuff here, artisan products and different crafts, and also books in Italian, but Scandi books, I love them. And of course the Scandi food and snacks. So yeah, let's try this cardamom bun. As expected, it's splendid. And yeah, with coffee and everything, it's a really good Nordic Christmas market with the Florentine weather. We caught the process of decorating the tree, guys. The tree will be officially lit up on the 8th of December, and today it's still a bit early to see it in full glory, but I'm excited to see it being decorated and prepared. Another Christmas tree is being set up here. It's not ready yet either, but still I like how there are several kind of, big Christmas trees around the city. Guys, let me tell you what, I love a good white Christmas, but I can totally live with a warm Christmas like this one. I know I can get annoying, but I don't know for how long I will be telling just how much I love the weather here in Tuscany. Now I also want to show you my secret spot that not many people know about, but where you can really enjoy a true Christmas wonderland. Come with me, guys. Finally, a Christmas tree with fairy lights. Feels like a major achievement to die on my quest for Christmas trees around Florence. Guys, you can't really see it right now because it's daylight, but during the night all the streets are lit up with the lights, and at the beginning of the street you can actually see the name of the street here among the lights, and then it's like on every single street here. Look there. I literally been here once since I moved to Florence, and I'm disappointed, guys. I expected a Christmas tree here as well. Maybe they'll put something here later, but I think it would be nice to have a good biggish Christmas tree here in Piazza della Signoria. What do you think? This street is always busy in all seasons, guys, but just a quick reminder, if you haven't seen my older video where I shared another place to have a panino not far from here, I will leave you a link up here. Go watch it after this vlog. Here is to my main destination of today, guys, the main Christmas market of Florence. That is kind of also Northern Christmas market, but more like Austrian, German. But yeah, let's go see how different is it from the rest of the Christmas markets we've seen so far, because this is also my very first time at a Christmas market in Florence. Guys, I got it all wrong. I thought it was like the Tyrolean Christmas market, but it's not. It is international, in fact. I saw a French stall selling all kinds of French pastries, an Irish stall selling whiskey and Guinness. I actually got my mulled wine in the Irish stall, and you could have gotten it with whiskey, but I decided to forgo it because, I mean, guys, it's just a little bit past noon, so mulled wine with whiskey is a little bit too much, so I went for a classic. And yeah, I love how international it is. It's also a little bit crowded, but maybe because it's Sunday, so it makes sense. In the meantime, let's try my Irish mulled wine. And it's good, guys. It's really, really good, I have to tell you. And then, of course, there have been all these classic Tyrolean styles, and I went for the traditional pretzel because, you know, guys, every year the Christmas market we get a pretzel, and I think this year is no different. I'm gonna try it. It's so good, looks so good, and it's huge, guys. I already got one off. Let's try this one. Let's see how the pretzel will be in Florence. It's good. Might not be the best one I ever tried at a Christmas market, if I'm being honest with you, but it's good. It will do, guys. And then the atmosphere here is amazing, so it will compensate for less than ideal pretzel, you know. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the first Vlogmas of the 2024 series, and I loved today. It was such a Christmassy, festive Sunday in Florence with all the decorations and Christmas markets and all. And I remind you to subscribe once again, because there will be more Vlogmas videos. There will be more videos in general next year as well, so you don't miss anything. And also follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there yet, because I will be posting more there as well. You can see the handle here. And guys, like and comment this video. As always, stay tuned for more Christmassy videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Happy holiday season and enjoy your day.